In this video, we will look into instant class. An instant is defined as an instant in the date-time continuum specified as a number of milliseconds from 1970, 01, and 00, 00, 00, and 00 nanoseconds. It represents the start of a nanosecond on the timeline. This class is useful for generating a timestamp to represent machine time. Instant timestamp is equal to instant.now is how you create an instant of instant. Now let's look into the example of instance. Now let's implement example of instant. Let's create a new class. New Java class is instant example. And let's create public static void main. Now let's create instance of instant timestamp is equal to instant.now. Now let's print out timestamp and timestamp.getNano. Let's run this example. So you can see that we got a timestamp in nanoseconds. Now let's create another instance of instant. Timestamp 1 is equal to instant dot now dot plus second 3600 seconds, and we can use our duration class to find the duration between these two instances. Equal to duration dot between and timestamp 1 and timestamp. So it will give me the difference between the two timestamps. Now let's print out duration. Oh, I have to print out duration in seconds. So you can see the duration between these two instances is 3600 seconds. It is showing 3601 because there might be, during the time when I was taking the instance, there may be a small difference in 1 seconds. Now, how you will create local date time directly from timestamp. So let's do local date time is equal to local date time is equal to local date time dot of instant. You can use this method to create it from instant, and this is timestamp 1, and you provide zone ID dot off and or zone ID dot system default, using the system which I am currently implementing this. And let's print out local date and time. So now let's run this program. So you can see that it printed out the local date and time, which is 22/01/2020 and then 2039. So instance class is basically used normally for generating the timestamps, and timestamps are normally used to create a unique ID on the system.